Today we're reviewing three GPT 1.5 style concept outputs for the word love, all built from Kraft paper texture cladding, but each one pushes the material in a completely different direction. Weathered industrial signage, origami geometry, and torn edge poetry. We're going to judge these on material realism, light behavior, texture detail, depth construction, and overall aesthetic impact like a design critique you can actually apply to your own visuals. Kraft paper is deceptively hard to render convincingly. It's not just brown paper, it's fiber direction, surface compression, edge fray, micro wrinkling, and how light dies into it instead of bouncing cleanly like plastic. So when AI claims it made Kraft paper letters with depth, wear, folds, and lifted corners, the real question is, does it behave like paper or like a brown 3D object with a texture slapped on? Portray love like an old warehouse sign. Fit Kraft paper cladding with intentional wear, minor creases, faint water stains, and scuffed corners. Letters stand proud with 23 centimeters depth, casting long shadows under cold industrial lighting. Transparent backdrop with a hint of concrete texture fading out. Create love using Kraft paper folded into sharp, precise creases reminiscent of origami. Each letter combines flat panels and angular protrusions, showcasing the paper's flexibility. Crisp shadows define the geometric forms. Neutral gray light. Fully transparent background. Illustrate love. With Kraft paper cut by hand, edges are deliberately rough and fibrous, some corners lifted as if peeled. Subtle fingerprints and pencil sketch lines are visible beneath the surface. Warm candlelight creates intimate, uneven shadows. Transparent background with faint coffee stain. Texture at margins. All three prompts use Kraft paper cladding, but they test different dimensions of realism. If you want industrial weight and depth, prompt 1 is the strongest. If you want precision geometry and modern clarity, prompt 2 wins. And if you want tactile authenticity and emotional narrative, prompt 3 is the one that exposes whether the output truly understands paper as a material, not just a color. If you want, we can do a follow-up where we score each concept on a 5-part rubric: texture fidelity, edge realism, shadow coherence, depth believability, and mood consistency, and break down exactly what to look for in the output.